Ito, tapos na akong kausapin yan.
Excuse me, for a
Ang gagawin natin.
might we have a moment?
Sino, si Nata?
Suppose you might.
Oo.
Sorry, who?
Na-customize ko na yun sa akin.
Tinutuloy ko lang yung story para mag-forward sa next monster. Igo mo lang, tapos kung nauna ako, ako yung aalis sa quest ko, tapos sasali ako sa'yo.
Have you seen Olivia and Eric?
Ah, you mean, okay, sinata kasi.
Been a bit.
Did they leave to investigate the White Wraith?
Ah, right. They did tell me they were.
What's Astrum Unit's primary mission here? Is it to look for the White Wraith?
I heard that unlike other volunteers and referrals, you came to the Forbidden Lands on guild orders.
I suppose. But rescuing the keepers is at least that's Olivia's. I've got something else.
Something else?
The boy's pendant. My orders are to get to the bottom of it. Nobody can figure out what the hell it is. A complete enigma. But I'll tell you this, it's not just some little trinket. It's important anyway. They say jump and I jump. They say go east and I go east.
Hey, think I could twist your arm into telling me how you came up with Wyvern's Fire?
Didn't come up with it, just the principle. It was too long ago for me to remember anyway.
You know you remember. Come on, you gotta tell me. Wyvern's Fire basically mimics the way real wyverns condense and release energy, right? That tech is used everywhere. Wyvern Blast, the Demolisher, and a whole bunch of others. It's too amazing to just forget.
Shall we go deliver those?
Can I come? Maybe we'll find the Wraith.
I'll pass. I don't want to wait.
Sama na sama tong batang to!
Dam should be this way.
Beyond the Deluge. Saan ko kasi nakita tong word na to?
What sort of traces did you find in the forest?
Alam ko na yung next pin. Feeling ko ito yung parang isda. Ano kasi pangalan?
Dragons there when it attacked our village.
Da.
Oo.
Utuna?
Oo. Feeling ko Utduna kasi umuulan eh.
Leviathan? Agad-agad, Leviathan. Kaya?
Hindi, umuulan eh. Oh.
A horrible
Ay, wala ka pa pala
thing.
dito. Feeling ko
Dapat.
lang.
It's burned into my mind.
The feels.
The rain's really coming down. I can barely keep my eyes open. That's causing the water currents to switch too.
A downpour like this could have an effect on the monsters. We should all be extra careful.
Ano nang ano mo? Anong armor mo?
Yung una pa rin.
Di ka nagpo-forge ng...
Hindi ko kailangan. Yabang.
From the astral.
Hindi, hindi pa ako nagtingin eh. Pero, pinoprogress ko lang muna yung story. Bakit?
ito yung naano ko. Oo. Tingnan ko yung...
Tignan mo yung yung skills nila kasi
yung skills talaga yung inaano ko dyan.
kasi iba yun yung requirements sa'yo sa akin kasi yung weapon mo iba eh.
No.
Don't move!
Huwag mo sabihin napahamak ka na naman, Eric. Siya nga Tuna.
Nata! No! That's not the monster!
Tawag nga nila White Wraith, tapos sasabihin mo yan yung monster. Hehe,
I'll draw its attention!
funny guy.
Take Eric and run!
Oh my god, I love this.
was wrong. We'll wear it down, then try again.
I'll help.
Thanks.
Monster engaged. Repel this threat.
Understood. Olivia, we have a sacred. Can you ride?
Can you ride? Okay, Pin. Abangan na lang kita.
Okay, kausapin ko lang itong sina... Ay, actually, pwede na akong mag-join dyan yata.
Hindi, ako yung
Ay,
mag-join. Wala na ako eh. Saan ka na ba?
Sa kakadating ng base camp at saka ginawa ko yung ano. Gumawa ko ng armor at saka weapon.
I've got some hay.
Oh, where the fuck are you, Nata de Coco? Nata de Coco!
Anything catch your eye? Yo.
Daryl. Daryl! Daryl. Gusto niya ng tracktail lizard. A gizzard?
Done already?
Ano po tayo ng Nata na yun? Sabi niya nasa base camp daw siya, di ba?
Yeah, nandun sa may entrance.
Ah, putik. Putik kayo na nga. Hinahanap ko siya sa mga tent-tent.
I bundled up some provisions for you.
Hey. Anything catch your eye?
Ganda nung render ng mga ano dito. Pero ganyan nga yung mga skill nila, no? Medyo meh.
Hill? Nino?
Mga equipment skill.
Ah, for now. Talagang evade extender lang tsaka quick shift yung pinaka may use.
Shit, ang ganda
Okay.
nung lalabarina.
Lalabarina naman, paralysis. Ano lang naman
Pang
yun.
crack yung sa Kongalala. Oh.
Resistance. Yun ang ano ko eh, parang iisa lang yung skill nung equipment kunwari ni Konga. Tapos, laban lang sa kanya, dun lang applicable yung kill na yun.
Hindi, para siguro, feeling ko ginawa nila yun
Potential
para
switch.
yung set mo hindi isang set for everyone. Mapipilitan ka mag-diverse, gawa ng mga diverse na set. Uy, oh. Gusto ko yung babaeng version ni Kongalala armor eh. Para siyang si Squirrel Gyal.
Gyal. Kuya Gyal.
Squirrel Gyal.
Bambakla. Mino pum pum god. Ashen
Iron Man. Iron Man.
Iron Mon. Iron Mon.
Iron Man.
Anything catch your eye? Yo. Done already?
Boom! Nako, ang lakas! inampas ng hammer sa mukha, hindi natinag.
I will join up pag nandiyan ka na.
Yeah. Di talaga natitinag.
Di pa ba, no?
Pwede na. Sama natin yung Olivia.
Hihilang ako habang naglo-load.
Ay, ibig sabihin.
What do you mean?
Yung mga damage numbers
Kulay blue?
ibig sabihin,
Less damage. Naka-water damage, naka-water blight ka.
yeah.
Parang ano, yung slime ng katawan niya parang imbis na solid hit, parang nag-graze mo lang. Or parang nag-skid so skin niya yung ano mo hit mo. Ilalaba rin na dito.
Yun, offset baby.
Squirrel yeah. Ang taba nila.
Offset.
Doon naman.
That was a little anticlimactic. Yung parang gano'n niya. Hindi masyado eh. Meron siyang wound sa right leg niya. Talaga.
Looks like it's actually
Ano yan?
Wound. Squirrel girl.
Tara, swimming.
Wow, what a view!
Nag-swimming ka?
Hindi.
Akala ko nandyan na.
Alam mo, meron na.
Oo.
Gulat ka, doon tayo nakikipaglaban.
Underwater.
Pero yung sa...
Oh, yung sa 4.
Saan kasi yan? 3,
For ultimate.
4.
Or 3 something. Basta yung after ng freedom yun eh.
That veil protecting it is made of water and fluid. We either destroy the veil or find a way to target its body directly.
Love the challenge.
Ito! Pero wait lang! Wala. Nandun na pala siya. Okay.
Sir, I saw it. Rastafarian pala yung kulay ng ano mo eh.
Yung alin.
Yung secret mo.
Drive it off.
Green.
Green? Green ba?
Oh.
Puta, yellow yung tingin ko.
It's fucking green,
Ginagawa ko
bro.
mukha saging eh. Yung yellow tapos may mga itim-itim.
Hindi, baka hindi
Kaya
pa hinog.
pangalan na to saging.
Baka hindi pa hinog. Sa akin, black and blue eh.
I'll just hop on now.
Nice.
Ibay na to, apat na taga bago magka-wood. Yung mga iba, tatang. Oh!
Oh, you died.
Tatanggalin na niya yung tail niya.
Wait, what?
What?
Is it done?
Boss pa daw. Leviathan nga naman kasi. Sabi ko, ba't ngayon pala mamapatay na natin? Patayin yung Big Bad.
Wait. Yun na yun?
Yun na yan.
What? That's crazy.
Were you able to subdue it?
Di ba yun yung parang oil well basin?
Rather ferocious
Yung
monster.
parang may tentacles. Di ba yung katapat nun?
Come on.
Hindi ko sure. Yun ba yung ano niya? Eh, yung para ba siyang yun ba yung apex nila?
I don't think... Hindi ba iba
Ah,
yung...
yun si ano. Yun siya.
Shit! Yun yung tumapos.
Whoa.
What is that thing?
That's it. I was still hoping that I imagined the whole thing.
Arc build, yo.
But no. The White Wraith. It's real!
Hindi ba pwede picture muna?
Matay na to si Olivia. May namatay na ba na karakter ng Monster Hunter? Wala yata.
Wala pa. Immortal yung mga yan.
Ah. Pinatay lang yung utdo.
Tapos pala siya yung monster, no?
Magiging Titan wala to, ano?
Oo. Ano pala siya? Ano kasi tawag doon?
It's okay.
Kaiju.
Hindi. Yung tawag... kapag sila yung guardian ng mga serap sa Final Fantasy.
Ah,
The White Wraith.
Nakalimutan ko yung tawag.
Akon.
Akon. Akon siya. Convict.
Mute.
for us. Let's head back.
Engine no. Fuck.
Could you give me some time to investigate what it was doing here?
Ayan ka na naman eh.
Handler 2.0 nga to.
Yeah, oh, yung sinabi ako eh. Oh, it's a paralysis poison. Okay. Touch it without a glove. Makes sense.
Eh, ganun lang. Ayoko ginawa nila kay Utna. Pinatay ng cutscene.
Wala nga, hindi nga natin na-carve eh. At least pa, ayun, kakasabi ko lang. What is this, bro? Ito na ba yun? Hindi, feeling ko hindi siya yung ray down ng ano eh. Siya ba?
Ray down ng forest. Hindi, feeling ko entirely different yung Leviathan. Feeling ko lang.